Hey, congratulations for making it this far. In this video, what I'm going to be showing you is how to buy your first Bitcoin. I'll also be explaining what exactly Bitcoin is if you're not certain of what that is. I'm also going to be showing you how, and I'm going to be doing live a $600 loan with Davor coin. So if we look at this, what it is a cryptocurrency lending platform. What you're going to be able to do is you're going to be able to lend your Bitcoin to this platform, and they're going to pay you out a daily percentage. On average, about 1 to 2% every single day. As you guys see here, as of filming this video, I have a completely brand new account, and I want to show you guys live the progress that I do through growing this account. And I want you guys, if you want to, now remember, nothing is financial advice. This is just what I'm doing. If you want to follow along, you are more than welcome to, and I'm going to show you how inside of this video. So first things first, what is Bitcoin? Bitcoin, if you don't know, it is a decentralized currency, digital currency that is party to party, peer to peer. Okay, it's 100% open source, which means all of the transactions are live. You can go look at, and you can actually track each transaction from, the purchase of the Bitcoin or from the creation of the Bitcoin from mining, and all the way to where it is now. So that's very powerful, and it allows the currency to run without a third party. So I don't need something like Payza or PayPal or a bank or anything like that, which is going to be taking hefty fees, right? Every time we want to send that currency, send that money. With cryptocurrency, with Bitcoin, you're going to be able to do that instantly for very, very low cost, and you're going to be able to send it without having to, go through a third party. So you can just send it. I can send you my Bitcoin, and you could be in Asia, right? I'm in Canada. You could be in Asia, and you could receive that coin. So very, very powerful. Now, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be investing into another cryptocurrency. So, like Bitcoin, Davor coin has its own coin. As you guys see here, 1 Bitcoin as of filming this video. It could be a lot higher. As of filming this video, 1 Bitcoin is about $15,000 US. 1 Davor coin is about $96. Now, I know you guys might be thinking, how are these, how stable are these coins? Are they going to be around? That's the best part about it. It's just coding. So when people invest and when people put in, computing power to mine these, right, as these coins are created, their value continues to grow, right? So it's not like the US dollar or, the Canadian dollar or whatever dollar, where they can literally just print it as much as they want. All of these coins have a cap. So what this means is, these coins, they're only going to be worth, or they're only going to be mined so many coins. So with Bitcoin, 21 million coins of Bitcoin will be created. So if we go over to the coin market cap, which I just want to show you, as we see here, 16 million circulating supply of Bitcoin, right? And some other coins have bigger circulating supplies. Every coin is different. What we're going to be doing is we're going to be investing into one of these cryptocurrency coins. Now, by purchasing these Davor coins, we're going to actually be able to lend those coins back to the company and earn a percentage every single day. So what I'm going to be doing, now that we've kind of done a brief little overview of what exactly cryptocurrency is, let's go ahead and walk you through the process of buying Bitcoin. So in the description below this video, or there might be a button depending on where you're watching it, there'll be a join Coinbase button. Okay, all you have to do is create your free Coinbase account. I'm not going to walk you through it. It's very simple. If you can't create a free account, you probably shouldn't be working online. It's, enter in your email, enter in your first and last name, enter your phone number, set up some passwords, and you're in. So once you log in, you're going to have to link it to your bank. You can link it to a credit card. You can link it to, whatever you want. All right. As we see here, for some reason, I believe I'm logged into a different account. But anyways, for some reason my payment methods have reset. So what you're going to do is you're going to go add a payment, right? You're going to click on credit, debit card, and then you're just going to punch in whatever you want. So whatever credit card you want, and then you're just going to simply buy Bitcoin. As of filming this video, I've already sent about 0.04 Bitcoin. So if we go over to the cryptocurrency calculator, that is about $600 right now. So as of filming this video, it is about $604, and that's what we're going to be investing into the Davor coin platform. So once you've purchased your Bitcoin on Coinbase, you can go over to accounts, and then you're going to simply click on send. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to click on send, and then we're going to head over to Davor coin, click on wallet, and then you're going to make sure you have Bitcoin highlighted. As you guys see here, I already sent my Bitcoin over because I didn't want to have to wait for the Bitcoin inside of the video. But what you're going to do is you're going to simply click on deposit, right? And you're going to copy this address, or if you want to do it, you can do it from your phone, and then you can just scan the QR code. So very, very simple. And remember, invest what you're willing to lose. Anything that you get started with, no matter how much money you're making, you always want to invest with caution. So what I want to show you now before we get started is the exchange. So what we're going to do now that we have our Bitcoin, we're going to head over to the exchange, and we're going to buy some Davor coin. Okay, so we're going to go down here, and then we're going to find selling orders, right? Selling orders and buying orders. Okay, so what we want to do is we look here and we see bid and we see ask. So if we're buying, we want to be on bid. So what we're going to do right here is we're on buy Dav. We're going to take this and we're going to go to bid. And then we're going to click all. So we're going to get 6.23 Davor coin for our 0.4 Bitcoin. Then all I'm going to do is click on buy, and boom. So now I've officially bought 6.2 Davor coin. So if we just simply click on lending, right, as you see here, I have 6.2 Dav coin now. So what I want to do to simply start lending out, I'm going to click on start lending. Now I really like the setup of this because you're going to actually see how much you can make over a short period of time. As you guys see here with different loans, right? So if you loan $1,000, you're going to earn 0.1% bonus every single day, right? The daily variations, as we see, nothing's guaranteed. Tomorrow's going to be a 0.7% day, but we've had 2% days as well. So you take the good with the bad, and you want to just the best thing is to invest what you're willing to lose, right? Invest with caution, and then just have fun with it. See how much money you can make. Reinvest, share it with your friends, right? If you guys want access to my video, like maybe you're watching this on YouTube, or maybe you're watching this on the sales page, whatever it is. If you want access to the sales page, all you got to do is just head over to the Facebook group. There'll be a link in the description or somewhere on this page, and just join that Facebook group, and then send me a message. Say, hey Dylan, I'd like to get access to the Davor coin funnel so that I can start signing people up, and I'll give you access to that. So what we're going to do is we're going to try and lend out 600. So 6.22, I have 6.23, so we're perfect. I'm going to click on auto reinvest. So that means I don't have to do anything. I can just leave this, let this run, and it's going to reinvest every $10. Now I got to speed this up. We're running out of time. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the locking period to earn 0.1% extra every single day. And I'm just going to reinvest. So I don't really care when I get that $600 back. I'm completely fine with that. I read and understand the terms, and we're going to submit. Lending successful. So that's it, guys. It's that simple. Now, if you guys have any questions, make sure head over to the Facebook group. Let me just close this here. The Facebook group is Crypto Lending Secrets. You can find me on Facebook. I'll have this funnel updated along with the BitConnect funnel and lots of other things. So definitely check that out, and go out there, grab whatever you want, invest, and let me know your results and how everything is going for you. We'll see you guys on the inside.